big game here today, but only one team can make it to the final. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Now, here's Giroud. Oh, determined challenge there. In field, Alba. Now, it's Coutinho. Neymar. Played in field. Salah. Alonso. Well intercepted. Team swap possession again. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. That's good link-up play. Alba. Ramos. Now it's Pogba. It's with the striker. Nice play. Griezmann. And it's saved by the keeper. Hazard. Determined challenge there. Alba. Now it's Coutinho. He has a go. Caballero. Oh, what a save. Calling incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Now, can they make something of this? And that's into the box. Ramos. What a great headed goal. And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond? Kante. Oh, well timed. Piqué. Now it's Pogba. Good ball. Now it's Griezmann. Messi. Good interception. Oh, he has a go. And he scored. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. It's 2-0 now. Bakayoko. Salah. It's with the defender now. And that's it for now. Half time. Some new players on the bench. Can they make an impact though in the second half? Let's look forward to the second half of this Global Challenge Cup game. Piqué. Now it's Pogba. Ramos. Alba. Not going easy on the opposition today. They're using the width here. Well cut out. Piqué. Now it's Pogba. That's good link-up play. Salah. Higuain. Shoots. Caballero. Oh, what a save. He should have been on target. Oh, here's Messi. Got the best effort there. Let's have a look at that one again. Now it's Pogba. That's nicely played. Higuain. Dominating the play now, Salah. Alba. Neymar. Now Coutinho has a dig. He got under that a bit too much, I think. Well, let's take another look at that. The manager will be very happy here. William. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Oh, that's great determination. Neymar. Messi. Now it's Pogba. Piqué. This player's really shown leadership today. Higuain. Salah. Messi, this is good stuff. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, well timed. Pogba in space. He's got under that a bit too much, I think. No cards from the referee today. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Well cut out. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Into the danger area. That's good link-up play. The fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Now, what can he do? Aim towards a penalty spot. And it's opened up here. And they put themselves a place in the final. Can they keep this amazing cup run up and secure the trophy in a few games' time? Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named man of the match.